Welcome back to my life science students and any other pre-service teachers. In this next short video on the types of ICTs that you could use to integrate into your teaching of life science. In this episode, the next piece of ICT equipment that I look at is the smartboard. So welcome to another episode by the opinionated science educator. Let's look at what these ICTs are. There is the overhead projector, videos, computers, data projectors, multimedia presentations, interactive or smart whiteboards, simulations, games, and the smartphone. Let's begin at looking at the use of smartboards in the classroom. I found this promotional video from Smartboard, and as you watch it, I'd like you to think of the advantages of smartboards in the classroom and how you could use it in your teaching.
So what makes the smartboard easy to use? That's simple. It has 3 unique features that help teachers deliver inspiring lessons that engage students in extraordinary ways. Touch recognition, the pen tray, and smart notebook software. What is touch recognition? It's the newest feature in our smartboard interactive whiteboards. With touch recognition, you can use a pen to write, a finger to navigate, or a palm to erase. Touch recognition lets you automatically switch between ink, touch, and eraser mode, and there are no extra buttons to press or extra tools to pick up.
Writing and erasing is exactly the same, so if you're not familiar with Smartboard, all you have to do is open up Notebook and you can access the same things that you would use either on a whiteboard or a chalkboard.
I think that's part of the intuitiveness that comes with this technology. I know that when I press something or click something, it's going to open up and I can trust it to work properly.
Another unique feature that makes the Smartboard interactive whiteboard easy to use is the pen tray. The pen tray works like a chalkboard. Pick up a black pen and write notes in black. Pick up a blue pen and write notes in blue. Even if the pens go missing, because the technology is in the pen tray and not the pen, you can still keep using the board. And since students can use any tool on the board surface to write, it's accessible for all people.
What's great about the Smartboard is that if the pens go missing, you're able to use other writing tools, the pen feature, the highlighter, as well as other options for writing. You can use your finger, as well as a ruler or any other object.
In addition to touch recognition and the pen tray, the Smartboard interactive whiteboard comes with software that has set the standard for how lessons are delivered, created, and managed. Smart Notebook software lets you add interactivity to lessons with a powerful set of education tools and resources.
Excellent.
Whether you're starting from scratch or using one of our ready-made lesson activities, Smart Notebook software's simple interface makes it easy to choose the right tools.
The benefit to Notebook being similar to other programs that the students and myself use is that they already know the layout of the program. The icons and the menu are all very similar.
When it comes to the Smartboard interactive whiteboard, our first goal is to make it easy for teachers and for students. We're always looking for ways to help everyone get the most out of classroom technology.
Now that I have the smartboard in the classroom, the students are way more involved in their learning.
We think it's worth the effort. Because it's smart, we believe in creating something extraordinary in your classroom, for you and for your students.
As you watch that video, I hope you got some of the benefits of using a smartboard. So I'm just going to go through some of them. Firstly, it provides students with an enriched learning experience because it projects visual elements onto the screen in front of them. It makes differentiated learning much easier because it accommodates the different learning styles. The touchscreen option allows teachers to run programs with just the tap of a finger, and that means it's easy to navigate for both you and students. Students' learning is enhanced by technology. The students can view diagrams, charts, videos, all on the big screen in front of them. This is the greatest advantage, is that it is interactive. So students can be actively engaged in the learning process, and they are involved in hands-on learning, which is a great benefit. And then other advantages is you have access to online resources that you can just get with a click of a finger. They are low maintenance in that they are easy to clean. You can just erase the material off, and it allows you to integrate technology into your teaching. So thanks for joining me, Life Science students, for this short video on smart boards or interactive whiteboards. Interactive whiteboards can be a useful tool in the classroom. Unfortunately, I've only seen teachers use it as a blackboard. So if you use an interactive whiteboard, make sure you learn all the functions that are there, so that it's not just an expensive white elephant. Use it, use its features, and let the children interact with it. That's why it's called an interactive whiteboard. Until next time, everybody, this was the Opinionated Science Educator.